Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm not cooking any recipe, but I just want to share with you how I cut durian. I am not a durian expert, but I love to eat durian. In Malaysia, right, when we buy the durian seller is always cut open just a little bit like that, and to check whether the durian is okay, is it hard or is it soft. By right, it should be soft. So they just open and touch it a bit. So if it's soft, like this, is okay. And one more thing, right? When buy the durian, the thorn must be very sharp and very fresh. Sometimes the thorns are it's already very dry and broken, means the durian is not very fresh. So today I'm just going to share with you how I open the durian. So we're going to open this fruit. When I open durian, right, this is the part where the stem is, just like this side, okay. But this one, but for this fruit, the stem is already dropped off. So when I cut the durian, I always turn the other side. So at the bottom of it, just like this, you can see if the bottom of the durian, right, it have the line. It will have a very tiny line here to separate the durian's seed. But for this fruit, the durian seller has already made the line here. So I'm going to continue to open it like that. You see the line here? If you poke the knife into the correct line, right, so it's easy to open. See? It's like that. See? You can see all this path, the line here. So open like that. Just we're going to continue to open up to here. See? Just like that. The thorn is super sharp. Once you managed with the line already, we're going to pull it. You have to use all the strength that you have. You need to use all the strength that you have to pull out this durian, just like that. See? This is easy. Look at that. Nice. Smells so good. So good. After open up already, we need to remove the durian. Just use the spoon to glide it. After we remove all the seed from here, and when we hold like that, we still can see that there are some more durian seed this part. So we're going to press it down like this to open it up. But if it cannot press it down, we just need to cut this line with the knife again. Just like this. See? Yeah. And this one, can see the line here? When this is slightly open, it's easy to press down like that. See? And this one. See? So beautiful. So one more here. Here I have a very small tiny seed here. Just open and check. Look at that. After all, opening the durian is not that difficult if you know how to go about, right? Just a short video, share with you how I open the durian. I haven't been eating the durian for more than 1 year, so this is my first durian for this year. Can't wait to eat. Look at that. Wow. It is so good. I love durian so much. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next video.